Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the glasses and phone are ready. Charge fully and pair via Bluetooth. Open the companion app and choose video mode. Set 1080p at 30 FPS for stable quality. Once paired, press the on-device record button or tap the app's record icon to start. Do it now so you capture the initial moment. Keep the glasses level on your face and glance at the view briefly to frame. This prevents shaky footage and ensures the lens is unobstructed. Once recording, monitor the live preview on your phone to refine framing and exposure. You want the subject centered and horizon steady. Adjust microphone gain or enable the wind filter to reduce noise. Make sure you watch battery percentage and remaining storage. If you expect long sessions, switch to short clips to avoid large file corruption, or use continuous mode if storage and battery allow. Periodically tap to mark highlights so you can find key moments. To finish, press the record button or stop from the app and wait for the saved confirmation. Do not remove battery or disconnect until confirmed. Transfer files over USB or Wi-Fi and verify playback on a computer to confirm integrity. If you encounter problems, no video saved, app won't connect, or poor audio, make sure permissions are granted, firmware is current, battery is charged, and the lens isn't obstructed. If needed, reboot glasses and phone, then retry the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.